In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove limescale from a gas or electric kettle. Limescale buildup can affect the efficiency of your kettle, meaning it takes longer to boil, which could affect its lifespan in turn. The simplest way to keep limescale at bay is to make sure to empty your kettle after everyday use. When it comes to cleaning our kettle, we can do it via the natural method using vinegar, or we can buy a all-purpose descale solution. To descale your kettle, fill your kettle half with distilled white vinegar and half with water. Once you've done that, turn the kettle on to boil. Then pour out all of the hot water. Fill your kettle with water again and boil to remove any lingering vinegar. Now, if you're finding value in this video, don't forget to give it a like and hit the thumbs up button below. Now here is the results from inside of each of the kettles. As you can see, the white vinegar has done an excellent job at removing the limescale. Now before I pop the lid back on, I have just soaked a cotton wool pad in white vinegar for the area around the lid to remove the excess buildup of limescale.